Six figures used to mean years of grinding. AI has compressed that timeline down to months, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Think about how long you have been working toward a real income breakthrough. You have watched the videos, you have taken the courses, you have tried the side hustles, and somehow the gap between where you are and where you want to be financially never seems to close as fast as you need it to. The reason is not effort. You are not lacking motivation or discipline or work ethic. The reason is that the traditional income building models were designed for a world without AI. They require time, capital, technical skills, or an existing audience before you could generate meaningful money. AI just eliminated every single one of those requirements. What I'm about to show you is not theory pulled from a blog post. It is a six-step system that real people are using right now to build $10,000 per month businesses using tools that cost less than $200 per month combined. This video is for anyone who is serious about building a real income online and is willing to follow a proven system instead of chasing random tactics that produce random results. By the end of this video, you will have the complete six-step blueprint for building a $10,000 per month AI business. From picking your niche all the way to scaling across multiple income channels simultaneously. One thing before we start. Stay with me until step 5. It is the step that most people either skip entirely or implement too late. And it is the single biggest factor separating people making $1,000 per month from people making $10,000 per month. Everything in the first 4 steps builds toward it. Do not leave before we get there. Let's build your $10,000 month. Step 1. Pick your niche using AI research tools. Niche selection is the single most important decision in this entire system. And most people get it completely wrong by choosing what interests them rather than what the market will pay for. Here is how to do it correctly using Claude and Google Gemini. Open Claude and prompt it to list the 20 highest earning YouTube niches for faceless AI content channels ranked by CPM, affiliate potential, and course sellability. Claude produces this analysis in under 2 minutes. Filter the results down to the top 5 niches where all 3 scores are high simultaneously. Then open Google Gemini and search the monthly search volume for the top 5 content topics in each of your shortlisted niches. You are looking for niches where multiple topics have over 10,000 monthly searches. High search volume confirms the audience exists and is actively looking for content. Tools needed: Claude and Google Gemini, both free to start. How this contributes to your $10,000 month. Every dollar you earn from this business flows from your niche choice. A high CPM niche with strong affiliate programs and proven course demand is the foundation everything else is built on. The wrong niche produces a fraction of the income for the same amount of work. Specific example: a creator who chose the personal finance niche using this research method earns an average CPM of $28, nearly 3 times higher than a creator who chose a low CPM niche without doing the research first. At 50,000 monthly views, that CPM difference alone is worth over $900 per month in additional ad revenue. Step 2. Build your AI content production system. Your content production system is the engine that powers everything else in this business. Without a consistent flow of high-quality content, none of the other steps generate meaningful income. Here is the exact AI stack that produces a complete professional YouTube video in under 2 hours. Claude writes your complete video script from a single detail prompt in under 2 minutes. ElevenLabs converts that script into a professional human quality voiceover in under 10 minutes. Descript assembles your complete video, visuals, captions, music in under 90 minutes. Midjourney and Canva produce your thumbnail in under 20 minutes. Total production time from idea to finished video under 2 hours. Total tool cost for this entire stack under $100 per month. Tools needed: Claude, ElevenLabs, Descript, Midjourney, Canva. How this contributes to your $10,000 month. 3 videos per week times 52 weeks equals 156 videos per year. Each video is a permanent asset that generates ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and course sales every single day it exists on YouTube. Your income compounds with every video you publish because your back catalog keeps working while you produce new content. Specific example: a Faceless AI Tools channel that published 3 videos per week consistently for 6 months generated $11,000 in month 7 from a combination of ad revenue and affiliate commissions across their video library. Month 1 generated less than $100. The compounding effect of consistent publishing is what drove the income jump. Step 3. Stack your affiliate income layer. Affiliate marketing is the fastest path to your first real income in this system because it activates from your very first video with zero product creation required. Here is exactly how to build your affiliate income layer. Sign up for affiliate programs for every tool you mention in your content. The highest paying programs in the AI tool space pay between 20 and 40% recurring commission monthly for the lifetime of every customer you refer. ElevenLabs pays 22% recurring. Kajabi pays 30% recurring. Make.com pays 35% for 12 months. SEMrush pays $200 per sale flat. Add your unique affiliate link next to every tool mentioned in every video description. Add a disclosure statement at the top of every description. Mention your affiliate links verbally in your video outro. Tools needed: individual affiliate program accounts, all free to join. How this contributes to your $10,000 month. 50 referred customers across 5 affiliate programs paying an average of $20 per month in recurring commissions generates $1,000 per month in completely passive recurring income. That number grows automatically every month as your video library grows and more viewers click through to your links. Specific example: a single YouTube video reviewing the top 5 AI voiceover tools generated 47 affiliate signups for ElevenLabs in its first 30 days. At 22% recurring commission on the starter plan, that single video generates over $300 per month in recurring passive income indefinitely. Before we move into step 4, I need to remind you that step 5 is coming and it is the game changer. Everything we have built in steps 1 through 4 feeds directly into step 5, and it is the single reason some people hit $10,000 per month while others plateau at $1,000. Stay with me, we are almost there. Step 4. Build your email list and lead magnet. Your email list is the only audience asset you truly own. Every other platform can demonetize, restrict, or delete your account at any time. Your email list cannot be taken from you. Here is exactly how to build it using Kit and an AI-generated lead magnet. Use Claude to generate a free resource in your niche, a cheat sheet, checklist, or template that delivers immediate value to your target audience. Build it in Canva in under 2 hours. Upload it to Google Drive with public sharing enabled. Create a Kit landing page that offers the free resource in exchange for an email address. Add your Kit landing page link to every video description, every social media bio, and every video outro verbal CTA. Configure a 7-email automated welcome sequence in Kit that delivers the lead magnet and nurtures subscribers toward your paid offer over 8 days. Tools needed: Claude, Canva, Kit, free to start. How this contributes to your $10,000 month. Every 1,000 email subscribers generates between $1,000 and $3,000 per month in direct monetizable value when you combine course sales, affiliate promotions, and digital product sales. Building to 5,000 subscribers across your channels generates $5,000 to $15,000 per month from your list alone before a single ad plays. Specific example: a creator in the digital marketing niche built an email list of 800 subscribers over 90 days using a free content calendar lead magnet. Their first course launch to that list at $397 generated $6,352 in 7 days from an audience they built entirely from YouTube traffic with zero paid advertising. Step 5. Launch your AI-generated online course. Here it is, the step that separates $1,000 months from $10,000 months. Ad revenue and affiliate commissions are powerful income layers, but they have natural ceilings tied to your view count. A course has no ceiling. 5 sales of a $500 course generates $2,500 from the same audience that might generate $50 in ad revenue. Here is exactly how to build and launch a completely AI-generated online course. Use Claude to validate your course topic by analyzing the top 20 best-selling courses in your niche on Udemy. Identify the gaps in existing courses from their 1 to 3-star reviews. Build your course around filling those gaps. Use Claude to generate your complete course curriculum, 6 to 8 modules with 4 to 6 lessons each. Write all lesson scripts in Claude using the same script writing prompt you use for your YouTube videos. Record all course lessons using Synthesia, which creates a photorealistic AI avatar presenter that delivers your script on camera without a human being involved. Build your sales page, email sequence, and course delivery system inside Kajabi. Price your course between $297 and $997 depending on your niche and audience. Launch your course to your email list first. Then embed your course sales page link in every relevant video description and add a course CTA to your email sequence. Tools needed: Claude, Synthesia, Kajabi. How this contributes to your $10,000 month. 10 sales per month of a $997 course generates $9,970 in course revenue alone before adding ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and digital product sales on top. Your course sells and delivers itself automatically around the clock from the moment you launch it. Specific example: a creator in the AI tools niche launched a $497 course called The AI Business Machine to an email list of 1,200 subscribers. The launch generated $14,910 in the first 10 days. The course continues to generate $3,000 to $5,000 per month in evergreen sales from YouTube traffic 12 months after the initial launch. Step 6. Scale to multiple channels. Once your system is producing consistent income on one channel, the fastest path to $10,000 per month is replicating that system across multiple channels in complementary niches. Here is exactly how to scale without multiplying your workload. Identify 2 to 3 additional niches that share your target audience but cover different topics. Personal finance, business and entrepreneurship, and psychology all attract the same buyer demographic as AI tools content. Build a second and third channel using the exact same production workflow. Same tools, same process, same posting cadence. Use Opus Clip to repurpose every long-form video into short-form content for all platforms. Use Publer to schedule all content across all channels automatically. Use Make.com to automate the distribution workflow so a single video upload triggers posting across every platform for every channel simultaneously. Tools needed: Opus Clip, Publer, Make.com. How this contributes to your $10,000 month. 3 channels, each generating $3,000 per month from combined ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and course sales equals $9,000 per month. Add a 4th channel and you cross $10,000 with room to spare. The key insight is that channels 3 and 4 require no additional learning. You already know the system. Specific example. A creator who launched their second channel in the personal finance niche 3 months after their first AI tools channel reached a combined income of $11,200 per month by month 8. The second channel reached monetization threshold in 45 days because the creator already had a proven content system running on autopilot. Let's bring this home. If you are starting from zero today and you want to hit $10,000 per month as fast as possible, 3 steps matter more than everything else. Pick a high CPM niche with strong affiliate programs using Claude and Gemini research. This decision determines your income ceiling before you publish a single video. Build your email list from day 1 because your list is what converts viewers into course buyers, and course buyers are what push you past the $1,000 plateau. Launch your course as soon as your list hits 1,000 subscribers because that is the single income lever that separates $1,000 months from $10,000 months. Everything else in this system supports those 3 priorities. If this blueprint gave you a clear picture of exactly how to build a $10,000 month AI business, hit the like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Grab the free AI tools cheat sheet in the description below. It lists every tool from this video with direct links, current pricing, and affiliate program details all in one place. Next video, we are breaking down the 7 AI tools every entrepreneur needs in 2026. The exact stack that runs a 6-figure business on less than $200 per month in software. You will not want to miss it. See you there.